I wanted to eat grilled fish sushi with teriyaki sauce and subtly flavored with shiso and wasabi. Here is the recipe. Start by cooking sushi rice. Take 300 grams of sushi rice and wash it 3 times. Cook with 30 centiliters of water. Meanwhile, prepare the teriyaki sauce. Put in a saucepan 10 centiliters of soy sauce, 10 centiliters of sake for cooking. To have a little sour flavor, add 5 centiliters of white rice vinegar, 30 grams of sugar, half teaspoon of grated ginger, 1/2 grated garlic clove. Combine and boil on low heat for 15 minutes. Mix 1 teaspoon of wasabi powder with 1 teaspoon of water. We need 3 nori sheets. They'll have a wider side, perpendicularly to the side fold, and cut them in half. Cut a mackerel fillets into strips. Remove the bones part. Keep the skin, it helps to maintain the flesh and it is delicious. The sushi rice is always seasoned with a vinegar sauce. Prepare it with 15 grams of sugar, 5 grams of salt, and 2.5 centiliters of white rice vinegar. Mix. The rice is cooked. Gently break up it. Add the vinegar sauce. Mix. Cover to prevent drying. Now we can cook the fish. Preheat the pan on medium-low heat. When it's hot, put a little olive oil. Spread it well. Put in the pieces of fish. Leave 30 seconds. Add 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. Let them grill for 1 minute. Flip them. Add another 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. Leave another minute. Check that nothing is missing before starting to roll the sushi. The ingredients: 1 sushi mat, 1 bowl of water, 1 wet towel, 1/2 cup for the rice, and a sharp knife. Put a shiny side of the nori sheet against the map. Take 1/2 cup of rice. Wet your hands. Spread the rice on the nori sheet. Leave a strip of about 2 centimeters without rice. Add some wasabi. A few drops of teriyaki sauce. Some shiso leaves. And the fish. To roll, raise the back of the mat. At the same time, your fingers hold the pieces of fish. When the shape is rounding, take out your fingers and roll. Gently press to make the roll firm. Lightly pull the mat with one hand while preventing it from moving with the other. Roll the sushi in the mat to close it. Gently press. First, cut the roll in 2. After each cut, wipe the knife on the towel. Cut each half in 3. Eat them as soon as they are done. Eat your sushi with your fingers. Just dip one side of the sushi in the sauce. Each sushi is eaten in one bite. All the flavors will be released in the mouth. Pickled ginger is eaten after and alone without sauce. It prepares the mouth for the next sushi. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.